Hell no! Shit no, boy. Pull his pants down. Shit no, boy.
Shit me.
Hell no! We just started recording. Now this stuff that was happening. Oh, you have to squeeze it down real hard till you see the red thing right there. Come here. Get out.
Y'all zooming. I gotta speak to y'all niggas, man.
That man was not gonna
give me a beat, like y'all. I'm finna freestyle for these niggas, man.
He was.
He finna fuck y'all, man.
And then he gonna take a picture, right? So I'm posing. This man is gonna zoom the camera on my head.
Hey, man, I ain't got no arm on that car, dude. Yo. Hey, bro, what you doing? Other people call. Yo. Hey, what you doing Saturday? Beat it up. Speed it up.
Beat on, brother.
He'll beat it and speed it up.
Oh, I like to ask you, goddamn, old boy wanted me to ask you, goddamn, if you wanted to ride the Albany with me.
Yo. Get the beat right. Bring the beat right, Bobby. Alright, man. Bobby, Bailey, we rich. Fucking with these duck-ass bitches. I ain't talking about y'all. Y'all cool with me.
Y'all cool with me, y'all cool with B.
You cool with Jock, you cool with C. You cool with C, you cool with them. They gay. Point at them.
Point at
them motherfuckers.
Anyway.
Them bitch ass niggas, they ain't fellas. What kind of nigga wear a motherfucking yellow? He say he hard, but he in a jukebox. He was born in a pea house, yeah, box. And he smoking on permanent rocks. Hey, he gay too. Look at his pops. Yeah, his daddy is the police. Freddie Kelp, we beat his ass. Yeah, now he's gone. Now he's dead. We ain't seen him in about 5 years. He paid. FBD. You cool with me? Shut the hell up, nigga. You ain't no real ass G. You cannot be like B. You cannot be like me. Pussy nigga, I'll kill you in this fucking street. Man, this the predicament that you in. He about to die at motherfucking Holiday Inn. But it's a holiday massacre. I ain't 50, but I'll beat you, fucking bastard, bro. Bobby, keep the beat rolling. Your car ain't paid for it. No shit stolen.
The money you got is damn tokens from the arcade. We should call you 50 because you act gay. You a bitch, you a hoe. I'll take your bitch and turn her into a fucking dyking hoe. Yeah, you see the shit,
your dick ain't good. You go dyking.
She dyking because I'm giving her the dick, man.
Your dick, man, came out of a trash can. You're the bitch, your ass smell like you got a trash can. You won't even buy windshield wipers, the wipers windows. Damn. But they $5 a piece. Your cheap ass put plastic on your motherfucking teeth. Nigga. I don't need a fucking beat.
You don't got one.
You need glasses. You can't motherfucking see. Cause, hey, when you look at me, see a motherfucking G. Light-skinned ass nigga. He ain't fucking with me. I tell him what? He a fucking joke. Pussy ass nigga. You ride 100 spokes. Rock got 24s. He ain't brought him out yet. Oh, say you got a car. I ain't seen your shit yet. You ain't no motherfucking G. He called me. Bro, let me get a ride to the store, please. I take him to the store. He come out with a high five. That mean he went to Miss Limbo. Down the street. You said the fuck up, a.k.a. Over there, a.k.a. better known as So Gay. That's the girl you seen dyking. Matter of fact, she be walking, so she steady hiking. Take a hike and ride your biking. Go around the corner and tell every whole world you dyking. Nah, you probably that. If it goes up, tell your girlfriend to do that. Buy a wig. Your hair right there is screwed up. Screwed up. You got a
wig is screwed.
What's wrong with you? A dude, bro. She's a dude. Get out of here. You confused. Are you a girl? No, you's a dude. And you, with the camera, you ain't shit either. Don't try to put my butt in, you snort up the fucking ether. You shot it up your arm, you shot it through your vein. I see you at the party dancing, going insane. Out your brain leaking. You heard about you. You, nigga. You don't want to be, you don't want to mind me.
Bobby, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, you come live with my family. You got kicked out of yours. They don't like you, but I like you. Shut your black ass up. Come out here, fat ass, and he black. He finna put lotion on. We don't see where your ass at. With your punk ass, get popped. Please, push it on your feet. Take off your flip-flops. You missed the spot. With that white there. Nah, that ain't your skin. That's a motherfucking tank top. Black ass nigga. Skip that nigga, man. Shut up. Toothbrush.
Big around that damn Newport.
Matter of fact, you like you got a turd on you. When he bathes, it's water black, like a dirt on him.
Yeah, bitch.
No, that's your fucking skin. That's black nigga. I ain't your friend.
They got your tank top on. You should be T-Bird.
But I ain't get that shit. This is how you said that shit. I ain't get that shit. You tried it. It was that funny got T-Bird.
No, I get it.
Shut your ugly ass up. You got a baby on the way.
From Beanie.
Your baby gonna come out with permanent waves like Calvin, Mr. Echo. Echo.
Echo. Hello.
Easy. I don't want to damn camera, bro. Easy. Hour and 45.
That shit is still recording.
Snap, Caesar.
Go ahead. You stop,
Get it. Get on the T-Bird. Get T-Bird on the mic.
Don't put me on the mic.
T-Bird.
T-Bird's on the mic. Yeah. 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 T-Bird's on the mic. No, we ain't. No, all y'all niggas out here stink.
Y'all ain't got no money in the bank. Nigga, he still wash clothes in the sink. No wash machine and no dryer. Hang them on clothesline, they ain't dry. You need about an hour. Matter of fact, y'all take a shower.
Liar. So don't talk about what y'all got in the streets. Y'all devour. I eat you up. I'm a real digger. Rat-a-tat. I kill a nigga. Yellow on. Yellow fella. Bitch nigga. Yellow fella.
Matter of fact, I punch him in his eye. That yellow shirt on you like a fucking yellow fly. Don't come bite me. Don't snap at my skin. Piss ass nigga.
I love yellow.
If my hoes like it, you ain't got none.
Yellow jacket. You already yellow.
You look like a motherfucking boy.
You yellow don't make no
top on your black ass.
You chasing that bitch. Chasing that bitch like a bowling ball running.
Yeah, Panda Bear with earrings in.
A Panda Bear. Get it? You're gonna be a kindergartner in college.
Oh yeah.
Going back to kids college again.
You don't have no shadow when you go to college.
That bitch look like James vs. Moe. Yeah, that's me.
Are they from the A? Get that license plate. License plate on that for real. Oh, bootleg, stolen ass camera on, man.
My camera is stolen. My grandma brought me this time.
It's a motherfucking lie. That ain't shit in your house that you motherfucking buy. Everything go in your pants or your shoes. If you lose it then, you go in a store, they gonna lose. You take everything they got from shirts to fucking shoes. We don't give a damn about you. So
you will lose.
You look like a bruise. Heard your ass got kicked out of school. Then you going back to you too. The new dude. Let me go on again.
Well, guess what, bro?
No, you like a fucking spinner.
Look at that, bro.
You better run.
Look at that, bro.
I killed that bitch.
Look at that.
Ooh, nigga. You don't want it with the man.
Look at that.
I do something.
Look at that.
You don't say nothing, bitch.
Look at that. 12 on 4, nigga.
Let me see.
Yeah.
I lost.
Hold my phone, man. I'm finna beat this.
Hey, let me keep Jock ass on camera.
Well, that bitch birthday today.
Oh, yeah. I want straight baby. What you doing?
You ready? Man.
How you gonna talk to that girl?
I think you better make
White folks Hey,